Sure, here's a step-by-step guide on how to enable Instagram story comments with the new update. 1. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your device. 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. 3. Access settings. Tap the three horizontal lines, menu, in the top right corner, then select Settings at the bottom of the menu. 4. Privacy settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. 5. Story settings. Under the Interaction section, tap on Story. 6. Allow comments. You'll see options like Allow comments from or comments. Here, you can choose who can comment on your stories. You can select everyone, people you follow, or no one. 7. Customize settings. If you want to be more specific, you can tap on Hide Story From to exclude certain people or allow message replies to control who can reply to your story. 8. Save changes. Once you've made your selections, your changes are automatically saved. You can exit the settings by tapping the back arrow or the X in the top right corner. Now your Instagram stories will have comments enabled according to your preferences.